Hello! In this video, I will show you how to integrate the Migration add-on with BookingPress. BookingPress allows you to migrate data from Amelia, Bookly, Booknetic, and LatePoint. Now, let's take a look at the BookingPress customers, services, and staff members pages. This is the customers page. Here you can see the list of all customers. Now, open the services page. This is the services page. Here you can see 6 services. Next, go to the staff members page. This is the staff members page. Here you can see 6 staff members. Now, navigate to the BookingPress Add-ons page. Scroll down and activate the Migration add-on. After activating, go to the BookingPress settings page. Open the Migration Tool tab. This is the migration page. Here you can see version-wise notes and configuration options. Select the migration plugin and choose the data you want to import according to your requirement. After that, check the confirmation box and click on the Migrate Data button. Here you can see the migration data count. In this case, 50 customers and 11 services were migrated. Now, open the customers page. You can see that more customers have been added. Next, go to the services page. Here you can see that new services have been added as well. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel.